Sa halagang 17 Hong Kong dollars ay na-enjoy na namin ang napakagandang swimming pool dito sa Kowloon Park. Actually guys, maraming public swimming pool dito sa Hong Kong. And most of them is indoor pool lang. But dito sa Kowloon Park public swimming pool guys, ay pwede nyong ma-enjoy both indoor and outdoor pool. 17 Hong Kong dollars ang entrance from Monday to Friday. And 19 Hong Kong dollars naman ang entrance from Saturday, Sunday, and public holidays. Opening hours from 6:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. How to get here? Just 7 to 10 minutes walk from MTR station. So, ang starting point natin is Tsim Sha Tsui MTR station, exit A1. Paglabas niyo sa exit A1, guys, just turn to your left and lakad lang kayo ng straight, guys, mga 5 to 7 minutes hanggang makarating kayo dito sa may maraming cartoon characters. Itong may maraming stairs. And akyat kayo dito sa stairs, guys, and pagdating niyo sa taas ay makikita ninyo ang isa pang stairs. So, ayan na ang swimming pool, guys. May makita kayong hagdan and akyat lang kayo at hanapin ninyo sa may right side ang entrance. Makikita nyo, guys, sa entrance niyan may McDonald's. Pwede kayong kumain muna bago kayo mag-swimming. Guys, magdala kayo ng buong $5 na coin kasi gamitin nyo yan, guys, sa pag-lock ng locker ninyo. And after ninyong gumamit sa locker, guys, is mabalik din naman sa inyo, guys, ang $5 na coin.